Hey guys, how are you? How's it going?
Welcome to our channel. I'm Kayla.
I am Alina.
And we're Kaylina. Today we're going to be showing you how to make your very own homemade bubble teas.
So in case any of your favorite bubble tea shops is closed and you want to make it at home or you can't access them right now, so we will give you all the steps to make that perfect bubble tea at home.
Yeah, so in front of us we already pre-measured these ingredients. We have our flavored syrups for our fruit teas, we have our toppings, which is the popping bubba for the fruit teas, and then the tapioca with brown sugar for the milk teas, our ice, and our two types of teas. One Earl Grey and the other one Jasmine?
Yes.
Jasmine, okay.
And for the milk tea, we just need the tapioca and we will use the powder. That I think is milk.
Yeah.
So the first thing that you should do is make sure that you send your tapioca to cook, because it does take a while.
Yeah, so prep your toppings. So we're going to be boiling the tapioca whilst we make our teas.
We used a little bit of boiling water. All of it. Shall we use a little bit more tapioca?
Yeah, let's do that. You can get this on Amazon.
And then we will add some sugar as well to add that natural sweetener.
Yeah. That's
So,
what we do differently from the bubble tea stores. They usually like to put the brown sugar after they put the toppings in the drinks, but we like to add it whilst the tapioca is cooking. Yeah. Give that a stir. Okay, so whilst that's boiling, let's go ahead and make the fruit teas. So we will start with our fruit teas. The concept is pretty much the same as you would in the bubble tea shop. We will start with our syrups. Let's start with the lychee. Most of our favorites. You are going to start with 1 part lychee syrup with 4 parts water and tea. For fruit teas, we will use green tea. Yeah. Okay, so make sure you have your shaker in hand. This is already pre-measured 1 part syrup and 5 parts. We actually want to only add about half green tea. It really depends on the individual. We like our teas quite sweet because green tea and syrup together is quite strong. And then we will dilute the rest with the jug of water from here. Okay, cool. We have our very cute bubble tea glass straws in hand. Save the turtles, guys. Like the video if you like that reference. And then we add ice. Add ice, about 2 cubes. And the fun part, we shake it, tighten it. Done.
So you wanna choose your topping. Kayla has chosen
Strawberry
with
lychee.
You wanna add
As much as your heart's content, honestly.
Yeah, it doesn't change the flavor or anything.
Okay, and then you simply add your drink. This looks so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a double wall glass. Yeah.
And that's it, guys.
Cheers.
You don't add any sugar or anything.
Simple. Okay, that was delicious. So to repeat, we're gonna make another one, but this time with 2 flavors, because that's usually an option where you can mix 2 flavors in one to make a new one, you know? So let's mix strawberry and apple. So this time we're just gonna use half apple and half of strawberry. And then, of course, 5 parts tea and water. I just smelled it smells really good. Okay. Alrighty. And then we add ice.
Interesting, the color.
Shake it, shake it, shake it.
So interesting.
Whoa!
It doesn't look like
It looks so
brown. Well, it's trending. Nowadays, the color brown is trending.
Yeah,
so.
fashion and drink wise. Okay, it tastes better than it looks.
Yeah.
Okay, alright.
So what topping? So
I
for
think
this one, I think blueberry.
They're not
If we are going extreme, let's go full extreme. Up.
Lewis, why are you scared?
I don't know. I feel like you're gonna make a mess. I know they're gonna fall. Oh, that colour's not it.
Of course, add as much tea as you want with your toppings. We're only gonna have half because we drank a lot. Cheers.
Cheers. In our cute cups.
It does not taste bad. I'm just gonna add a little bit more water.
So nice.
Okay.
So now we are making my favorite pineapple bubble tea.
Yeah. So same steps apply.
We pour
Syrup first.
syrup. Yeah. We add some water.
Okay. Got
Intense
that.
flavor, okay?
Yeah.
I like my drinks very intense. We add some ice. Now we're gonna close it, and meanwhile, while I'm gonna shake, Kayla is gonna add some bobas.
Peach boba.
I'm really excited to try this one.
Yeah, she loves pineapple.
Especially after that one that we tried in the Filipino bubble tea. My favorite one was Kayla's pineapple. I tried all of it, so this one is exciting.
Okay,
Let's go.
serve the duck. Yeah, one of the prettiest today. There you go.
Just look at this cup, it's amazing.
Okay,
Let's-
you can have the first
Oh,
sip.
I'm so excited.
Of course. Pineapple's fine.
I
for
love
me.
it.
Yeah, it's alright.
Oh. And now guys, a cheeky peeky try. I'm gonna try for the first time. What is this? The milky. So now we're making the milky bubble tea.
Milky bubble tea, the milk tea. We only brought one flavor with us today, the original. You can get others like honeydew, melon, taro, strawberry milk, all sorts.
So milk tea is a little bit different to the fruit teas. We are gonna be pouring this powder that is 3-in-1: milk, tea, cream, fructose.
Yeah.
So we will be pouring this in.
Whew, God.
Intense. And mixing it with hot water, boiling hot water. So now we quickly mix it with the chopstick
Or anything really.
to make sure that there is no clumps.
So it's all dissolved.
So now we will pour black tea, because with milk teas you want black tea. Just tastes so much better.
Yeah, it's perfect.
You can use any. And we are gonna blend it with water.
With water. Okay. About the same measurements as the fruit teas.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Close it. And blend it. We don't have to blend this one that much as the fruit ones.
but enough that it's all mixed in together. We're a bit clumsy.
So we are gonna add the tapioca that is already done.
Yummy.
Yep. You wanna try raw tapioca?
No, thank you. Shake the whole thing. The brown sugar makes a difference.
Oh, it does.
So much more flavorful.
The best about making bubble tea at home is that you can add as much toppings as you want. So this is as much as I like.
Yeah.
And we are going to mix our milk tea with a little bit of hazelnut milk at the top. Oh, that looks really nice. Oh, guys.
Excuse us, we're gonna just create a thumbnail. Okay, we're back. Time to try the milk teas.
So, we finished them. Oh my god, it looks delicious.
It looks delicious.
Do you want to try it first?
Okay. Alright. Oh, I can taste the hazelnut milk. Tapioca is my favorite part.
This is so nice. It's like coffee. This is amazing. Oh my god, it's so simple, not sweet at all. Honestly guys, if you make bubble tea at home, you are gonna enjoy it so much more than when you order it in a shop. You can be extra with your ingredients. You can add more tapioca, more sugar, more milk. We added hazelnut milk and this added such a sweet flavor to our milky tea.
Well guys, we hope that you enjoyed this video. It was certainly very messy, but we hope that you were able to find it very helpful when you make your own at home. And we will have the links to the description below for where you can buy these things. We hope that you like and subscribe to our channel and comment something on whether you'd like to see us do this again or if you have made one yourself.
And if our tips and tricks will help you to make that perfect bubble tea at home, because you can add as much ingredients as you want and you can alter it to your own self. But yeah, we're gonna go and finish our bubble teas.
We'll see you next time, guys.
See you! Oh, this is so nice, Taylor.
Bye bye.
Oh, you cover it so that it will boil. I forgot what I was gonna say. Okay, we used to.
How is this lockdown treating you? Oh no, let's do that again. Okay, 1, 2, 3. No, there is. Come on, 1, 2, 3.